The role of EPS in the project is to supply a power-to-power system, an integrated power-to-power system, specifically for demo 2 in Agkistro in Greece. Right now, the status of the demo is the following. We have completed the commissioning of the demo in July 2020. We then had to go back on site in September to solve an issue which was related to our DC-DC converter. And at that time, we were able to solve all the issues, so everything was working fine. We were able to operate the system for some time and to collect also some data in 2020. It was mainly an operation related to the production of hydrogen and the some humidification cycles on the fuel cells in order to be able to keep them humid and to avoid the fuel cells to dry out. What we then planned together with Horizon was to implement the connection. Together with Horizon, we decided to plan the connection of our system with a load on site, so that we could operate the system by following some load profiles in order to simulate the actual operation of the system. This is because the initial aim of the demo 2, which was to supply an agri-food building which would be constructed and installed by Horizon, was not that is not yet built. So what we decided to do was, as I said, to implement an on-site load to be able to simulate the operation of the system. And we tried to do that at the beginning of the year, but we had some issues in the connection between the load and the system. It was related mainly to some software issues, because our system was not interfacing correctly with the load, and we were not receiving the actual commands to start up and to stop producing in the correct way. So we then performed some modifications on the software, and we were able to establish the connection with the load at the beginning of May. So right now the status of the system is that it's operating correctly. It's connected to the load, and we are ready to start some testing by simulating some load profiles which we agreed on together with Horizon and CERT, which means that we already collected all the data for 2020 and 2021 based on the operation of the system that we were operating remotely, so production of hydrogen and production of fuel cells when needed. But right now we are able to collect data also based on the simulation of the load profiles that we agreed on. So that is something that should be quite interesting to analyze in the following months.